What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Now, I know I've been gone for a minute, but I am back showing you this cute protective style with a sleek ponytail. As you can see, your girl is natural, but if you would like to see how I went from this to this, then definitely make sure you keep on watching. And my sister will be doing a guest appearance. Pop in.
Pop in me. Pop in me.
You want to pop in too, baby? Come on.
Yeah.
And she is a licensed cosmetologist. And of course, my niece and my nephew will be making a special guest appearance in this video as well. So all my natural girls, I know y'all know the struggle of trying to get your hair in a ponytail. The secret to getting your hair in a sleek ponytail is you gotta work in sections. You literally gotta section your hair off into 3 or 4 sections, as you can see my sister doing here. I went ahead and I already moisturized my hair as well as put some heat protectant on it, and she also used this oil before she went in and blow dried and flat ironed my hair. Now I'm not gonna show you the whole step and the whole process, but she just kind of lightly flat ironed my hair. We didn't get it completely straight, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not extremely straight. You don't really need it straight. You just need it to be manageable in order to get it in a low, sleek ponytail. Hey, Auntie Princess. Hello, Mama. Hey, don't talk to me. Hey, Mama. Hey, Auntie Princess. So my niece woke up and I had to pop in all of that cuteness. Isn't she so cute? Oh my goodness. Just make me want to pitch her cheeks through the screen. But anyways, back to the video. So right here, you'll see this is the beeswax that she used on my hair. She did use a lot of this, but it helped her mold the hair down. So you just want to go ahead and work into sections like I stated before. So you're just going to take it section by section according to how thick your hair is, and you're just going to work in different sections. So right now she's working in the back, and then she's going to work her way up to the front. She is going to use some Got To Be glue free spray as well to help lay the hair down, and then she's going to go in with a blow dryer, and then I will be right back when we get to the other part for me to explain. So as you can see, she's just going to repeat the same thing for the front. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you here. You can do, I know y'all be seeing like the girls that be doing the cute designs with your edges. You can do that. I just opted out for just the regular swoop edges. Y'all know when you swoop your edges with the brush or the comb. I just wanted to do something really simple. I didn't want anything too dramatic, but you could go for this look if you would like. And as you can see, she's just going to brush my hair. She's going to continue to mold my hair back into a ponytail. And you want to make sure that you don't put it too tight. The hair that we're going to be using is by Model. I got it in the color 1. This is the Italian curl. It is in 30 inches. And I got this from my local beauty supply store. I believe it was $10.99. So you want to... I'm not sure if you can find it online. I did find it at my local beauty supply store. As you can see, she's going to braid my hair down, and she's kind of going to do an extended ponytail. Now, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna let the video play, and I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. So I'm gonna just let y'all visually catch the drift on how to do this ponytail. This is the finished look. Not too bad for something that is only $10.99. As you can see, it is very sleek. She got my hair to cooperate and actually lay flat, especially them edges. That's always a struggle for me. For this to be synthetic hair, as you can see, she was able to put heat on it. Not sure if you can actually get this hair wet. I won't be getting it wet, but for $10.99, I think it's going to do its job, and I'm absolutely in love with the protective styles that have been trending this summer. So if you would like to see more videos like this, especially for my sister because she does hair for a living, let me know and I'll definitely make sure I record some more of those. And thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you can please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you to my next video.